Hi, I'm Alexandra Perez.
And I'm Camille Sanchez.
And we're travel agents trying to get you to come visit Saturn.
Woo!
This is like the 5th time we've done this, so we're not that enthusiastic. But we still want you to come visit us, right?
At Saturn!
Woo! Yeah! Saturn is the 6th planet from the Sun. It is between Jupiter and Uranus. It's between Uranus and Jupiter. Saturn's radius is 58,233 kilometers, and its diameter is 1.19 U9 ET plus 5 kilometers. The mass is 568.3 kilograms. The distance from the Sun, or from the Earth, is 1,489 days, or
41 years.
4.1
years.
And I have the distance. Oh yeah, it's 1.2 billion kilometers. I'm sorry. Okay, it has 53 moons, and 9 moons depending. Show them to me.
So and then it has 7 rings too.
Yeah, 7 rings made up of ice, rocks, and dust.
And we only drew 23 moons because we were picturing at this point in time the moons that are, since they revolve around Saturn, that they would be behind Saturn at this point. So these, yeah. And then these are the stars. And then these are the 7 rings. See, they're all conjoined. And then the moons. Woo!
Okay. Saturn's gravity is 10.44. Its density is 687.00 kilograms /m cubed. Saturn's orbit is very slow because its density is made up of gas. Its density is low because the planet is made up of gas. So yeah, it is made up of 75% hydrogen and 25% helium. It is negative 288 degrees Fahrenheit and has no breathable air. But we'll take care of that for you.
Hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully. If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you're going to weigh 107 pounds on Saturn, which will make you fatter. So you probably want to start going on a diet.
Bring that Weight Watchers dough.
Weight Watchers will be provided on the spaceship.
That we will be providing for you also.
Yeah. The rotation period is 0 days, 10 hours, and 39 minutes, which is less than a regular day on Earth. But it takes Saturn 29.45 Earth years to orbit around the Sun. Its revolution. So yeah, Saturn's pretty cool. Those are all the amazing facts about Saturn. You should visit. Yeah.
Make sure you come and visit. Buy tickets now. On Saturn, there will be a floating hotel, pool, tennis court, bowling alley, and much more. Spacesuits will be available for purchase. If you don't want to haul around a spacesuit, then you better come join our floating hotel and have a stay at the amazing thing we've built. It's very cool. Since you can't breathe air, so you'd have to be in some sort of thing that has breathable air, or then and what you can do while you're here and staying with us, you can play the floating tennis court or play in the floating pool that we made. It's very amazing. Or you can float around and look at the big gas giant. It's so cool. It's like amazing. Like, wow.
You can't really walk on it, so we have like little patches of grass that's hooked, so we can stay. We figured out how to do it because of gravity, so we got it covered.
So cool.
Got it covered.
And you guys will stay for about a week, or then you guys will kind of die of amazement.
Yeah!
Amazement, because it's so amazing here at Saturn. It's beautiful. We beautified it.
Okay, so
Campus beautification at Saturn. And on the spaceship there will be...
okay, it's kind of hard to see because like Saturn's in the background, I guess. There is
Saturn.
Yeah. There's Camille and there's me. And basically we're
driving.
Yeah, we're driving the spaceship and we're taking care of you. We are the presidents of
President of the club.
Yeah. We are Saturn's owners.
And on the spaceship, to keep you comfortable, there will be beanbag chairs and water slides and an endless supply of food. Like, it will be amazing food. Like, who doesn't love beanbag chairs and water slides?
You can get fatter. You can get fatter, and then when you go to Saturn, you'll weigh even more. Those are for people out there who are anorexic. It's good for you.
And there will be Weight Watchers available if you haven't already heard.
Yeah, if you're a little on the bigger side.
On
a little
the
heftier. A bit more chunky.
That's not right. Okay. Feel stop. Okay, on the spaceship there will be doctors, chefs, presidents, which will be us, bankers, and an activities coordinator that is very, amazing. And it takes 4.1 years to get there, going 40,000 kilometers per hour, which is crazy. And if you leave when you're 30, then you will be about 34 when you get there. So, and it will be amazing because the activities coordinator will have amazing birthday parties for you.
Totally.
Hey, Miss Green, she's having a good time on Saturn. Do you hear her?
That's not Mrs. Green. That was that little lady.
Teresa. And it will be, how much will it be? Would you like to share that?
I will gladly like to share this information with you. So, because we're going there for 4 years. Oh, I did it wrong. Are you kidding me? No, I didn't. I did it right. I was lying. Since we are going there.
Since we're real jokesters.
And back. That'd be 2,985 days going there and back and counting the 1 week, which is going to cost you $1,567,125.
Moolah.
It's very expensive, but it's worth it.
But it's all worth it because Saturn's amazing.
We also have some other deals if you want to stay for a month. It's going to cost you $2,753,222. And if you're staying there for a lifetime, then you might as well just give us your bank account because it's going to cost you trillions, $3 trillion.
Plus tip.
Plus tips. Yeah, we do appreciate tips.
And so now we will show you the testimonials of famous people who have been.
Nacho Libre, how do you feel about Saturn?
I now believe in science.
Marilyn Monroe, how do you feel about Saturn?
Oh, it's quite lovely. Not just as quite lovely as me or my hair. Elvis Presley, what do you think about your experience in Saturn?
You wanna know what gets Justin Bieber, how do you feel about Saturn?
I hope they're deporting me here next.
Oh my gosh, it's Justin Bieber!
Yo, little Wade, my homie. What do you think about Saturn?
Yo, school! Tall person that fast, kinda gas giant. Thank you, and we hope you will come visit us on Saturn.
Saturn is amazing. It is.
So come
visit.
Come visit Saturn.
Come visit.
It will be worth your while.
Worth
Saturn.
your money.
Peace on the streets. Saturn.
Cyrus, how do you feel about Saturn?
It's the best place I've ever worked on. You know, it's all about the climb. So, Beyonce, how you doing? How you doing? How do you think life is on Saturn?
Because I like it, I put a ring on it. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh.